In this video, we are going to learn about subtraction. What is the difference between 80,005 and 4,567? First, you write the numbers in the vertical order and in their correct place values under the units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Remember, the larger number goes on top. Work vertically, starting with the units column first. Let's take 7 away from 5. In this case, we can't because 7 is bigger than 5. So normally, we would borrow 1 from our neighbor to the left, which is the tens column. But it also has nothing. The same goes for the hundreds column, and the same goes for the thousands column. So we are going to borrow 1 from the 10,000s column. We take 1 away from the 8, making it a 7. Our thousands become a 10. But we need to borrow 1 from our thousands, making it a 9, and our hundreds become a 10. We also need to borrow 1 from the tens, making it a 9, and the units becomes 15. Now it's possible to take 7 away from 15. So what is 15 minus 7? It's 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 7 minus 0 is 7. So our answer is 75,438.